In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a button to another page in Framer. If you're looking to create interactive and smoothly navigable designs, connecting buttons like this is essential, and it's quite straightforward. Let's begin our journey by opening your preferred browser and searching for Framer. Once you've done that, go ahead and log into your Framer account. If you do not have one yet, you can create it in just a few simple steps. After logging in, navigate to the specific project where you want to make changes. It's important to have your project organized so that you can easily find the elements you need to work on. When your project is open, identify the button element that you wish to link to another page. Simply click on this button to select it. Now that you have your button selected, direct your attention to the Properties panel located on the right-hand side of the screen. The Properties panel is where you'll find most of the settings and options that you can modify for your selected elements, including buttons. This panel is your go-to area for customizing the appearance and functionality of your elements. Within this panel, look for the Link property. You should see a small plus sign, plus, next to it. Clicking on this plus sign allows you to add or edit link properties for your button. This is where we start connecting your button to another page internally or an external website. For linking to internal pages, Framer makes this easy. You'll see a field where you can type the name of your target page. As you begin typing, a drop-down list of matching pages will appear. Simply select the correct page from this list, ensuring it's the one you want your users to be navigated to. If you're linking to an external website, it's just as straightforward. You'll need to paste the full URL of the destination site into the link field. There's also an option that may appear for you to check a box, allowing the link to open in a new tab. It's a small step, but it can significantly improve the user experience, keeping your Framer project open while users explore additional resources. As we wrap up, remember one critical step. You must preview your changes and publish them. This will ensure all updates are saved and will function as expected when others interact with your project. By previewing, you get to see firsthand how the interactions feel and make any necessary adjustments before setting everything live. You've now successfully linked your button in Framer, opening up your project's navigation capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful as you continue to build interactive and user-friendly designs in Framer.